Hello there folks, and welcome to the first time ever on this channel to Carshalton Railway Station. And kicking it off will be 700 008, working the 0719 Gavia Thameslink service from Sutton through to St Albans. Arriving next into the station is 377407 and 377414, running 39 minutes late with the 0645 Southern service from Horsham through to London Victoria. Also arriving 19 minutes late is 377410 and 377163 with the 0715 Southern service from Horsham through to London Victoria. Departing in the opposite direction is 377404 and 377469. Nice. With the delayed 0719 Southern service from London Victoria through to Epsom running 16 minutes late. Arriving next into the station is 377609 and 377702, working the 0735 Southern service from Epsom through to London Victoria. Departing in the opposite direction is 700 056, working the 0743 Gavia Thameslink service from St Albans through to Sutton. Arriving next into the station is 377201 and 377449, working the 0745 Southern service from Dorking through to London Victoria. Arriving next into the station will be 700 001, working the 0749 Gavia Thameslink service from Sutton through to St Albans. Arriving next into the station is 377469, nice, and 377404, working the 0805 Southern service from Epsom through to London Victoria. Next arriving into the station is 377125 and 377452, working the 0809 Southern service from London Victoria through to Horsham. Arriving next into the station is 700-014, working the 0813 Gavia Thameslink service from St Albans through to Sutton. And to take us to our next station, here comes 700-033, working the 0819 Gavia Thameslink service from Sutton through to St Albans. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.